Welcome to Daily News Updates by the Shipping Tribune. Here we bring to you the latest maritime daily news in a short form video format. Please subscribe for regular updates. Baltic index scales 1.5-year peak on robust demand for bigger ships. The Baltic Exchange Dry Bulk Sea Freight Index rose on Monday for the third consecutive session to its highest level in 1.5 years, steered by higher demand for larger shipping vessels. The overall index, which factors in rates for Capesize, Panamax, and Supramax shipping vessels, gained 157 points or 7.5% to 2,259, its highest since June 2022. The Capesize index surged 434 points or 12.8% to 3,819, also climbing to a 1.5-year peak. Asia fuel oil VLSFO softens. China issues more fuel oil import quotas. Asia's very low sulfur fuel oil market weakened further on Monday, while China has issued an additional 3 million metric tons of fuel oil import quotas in 2023 for non-state firms. The additional quota takes the total for 2023 to 19.2 million tons, following the 16.2 million tons in non-state fuel oil import quotas issued at the start of the year. Meanwhile, fuel oil price benchmarks have started easing since the previous week. Before we move on to the rest of the news updates, I would like to inform you that the 10th India Tanker Shipping and Trade Summit is being organized on 9th of February 2024 in Mumbai, and the venue will have limited seating capacity. So we request you to reserve your seat as soon as possible. Registrations will be done on a first-come, first-served basis. 76,000 crore rupees mega container port in Vadhva gathers steam, work likely to begin next year. The proposed 76,000 crore rupees container port project at Vadhva in Maharashtra will have all requisite clearances in place by mid-January, post which work should be underway next year, writes Business Line. The port, to be helmed by Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust, is located in the eco-sensitive Dahanu Taluka in Maharashtra's Palghar district. While the project has received environmental clearances recently, public hearings in the Dahanu area will start soon. The hearings will address the dredging of 2,000 million cubic meters of sand off the Daman coast, which will be used to reclaim the land for the port. Middle East crude Murban falls as ADNOC to increase exports in Jan-Feb. Middle Eastern benchmark Murban, a light sour crude produced by the United Arab Emirates, dropped on Monday to its 6th-month low as supplies of the grade are expected to increase in the first 2 months of 2024. Spot premium for Murban was at $1.34 a barrel over the Dubai quotes, down from $1.57 a barrel in the previous session. UAE's ADNOC will have 1.527 million barrels per day of Murban available for export in January and 1.513 million barrels per day in February, compared with 1.352 million barrels per day in December, the company said in a report on Monday. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like button if you like the video, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the Shipping Tribune YouTube channel if you haven't already.